Docker is a powerful containerization platform that allows you to build, ship, and run applications quickly and reliably. Before you start the installation progress, you can check the OS version using the following command line. Now let's get started with installing Docker on CentOS. Step 1. Update the system. Open the terminal and type the command so the terminal displays the progress of the update. By using the following command, add a collection of tools and programs for managing Yum repositories. Step 2. Add Docker repository. Type this command to add the repository. You can find the commands and URLs in the caption. Step 3. Install Docker. Types this command to install Docker, its CLI, containered, docker-buildx-plugin, and docker-compose plugin on your CentOS system. Step 4. Start and enable Docker. To check the status of Docker service after installation, use the following command. In addition, use the following command to start the Docker service. To ensure the status of the Docker service, Check the status of the service by using this command. Step 5. Start working with Docker. To confirm if you can access and retrieve images from Docker Hub, run the following command. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Docker on CentOS Linux.